Now, introduction to Python. So we will do all this in this chapter. Now, what is Python? Python is a programming language and it was created by Guido van Rossum. So this you note it down. This is asked in question paper. In every question paper you will see this question, that it is created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Now, working with Python. Now, practically how you will install Python. So, if you are having laptop or desktop, you will go to https://www.python.org. So, this you note it down, www.python.org, and in that the versions 3.7, 3.8, so whichever you want to, but it should be 3+ version. 2 version you will not install, it should be 3+ version. So I am already using 3.7, 3.8. I will show you one by one practically how we will do it. So that you install it, and those who are using mobile, so in mobile here you can see this. In mobile you can install PyDroid 3. So this is PyDroid. In Play Store you will go, you will install PyDroid 3, and there you will type the code, or in Google, in mobile you will open Google, and Colab you can open, and there Colab will use internet. PyDroid 3 offline also you can do it. So laptop, ideally Anaconda if you install, then in that Jupyter and Spider are there. So any one you can use. So one by one I will show you all how we will do the practicals. Now, what is Python? Python is a high level language. It is free of cost, open source language. Program code is available. It is an interpreted language, as Python programs are executed by an interpreter. So line by line also you can execute. So you will see interactive mode and script mode. 2 modes will be there. In interactive mode, line by line you can execute, and in script mode, whole program at a time you can execute, compile it and execute it. Now, Python programs are easy to understand. So these all things you all know. Now it is case sensitive, that is capital letters and small letters are treated separately. Suppose if you write your name in capital letter and you are searching your name in small letter, it will show that name is not present because it is case sensitive. Clear? So if the data is in capital letter, you have to search also in capital letters only. Now Python is portable. You can carry from one place to another or share with others. And platform independent means you can use any platform, any operating system, any device. Means it can run on various operating system and hardware platforms. Python has a rich library of predefined functions. Now you will see in Python so many libraries are there and ready-made functions are there. So it is very easy to work. Python is also helpful in web development. Many popular web services applications are using Python. Python uses indentation of blocks and nested blocks. So all the new, that is your Facebook, your so many browsers are designed using Python. Now execution mode. Now one by one we will start. Interactive mode, how it looks. So I will show you when I will open ideally. This is the Python. My Python version is 3.8, and so it depends. If you want, you can use this version or you can take the 3.7 version also. All are working nicely. Now this is your interactive mode. You can see here 2 modes they have given, interactive mode and script mode. So in interactive mode, line by line it will execute. If you type here print hello, then you will see that it will print hello. So line by line it is executed. Suppose sum of 2 numbers. So suppose A and B, if you are giving 2 values, 2, 3, and then if you want to print the sum of 2 numbers, so here you can print A plus B. So this is your interactive mode. Now next is your script mode. Now what is script mode? you will click here, file, new file. So this is your script mode. This is your script mode. Now in script mode, when you are typing anything, you have to save it and then it will be executed, and for future use you can use that file. So suppose here this I am executing. Now when I am executing it, it will ask to save first. So suppose I am giving here some PR1, program 1 or program 2. Now PR2 I have given, so this file is saved. Now anytime if you want to see this file, it will be saved in computer, so you can see this file whenever you want. Clear? Now you can see this output, it is showing here in this window. So this is your script mode. Now in this, if I want to save a program like A comma B, or directly if I am giving a value, A is 22 and B is equals to 2, then if I am printing, print A plus B, so it will print now 22 plus 2 is 24. So when you will execute it, you can see in this window the output will be displayed. I think it is visible, hello, and then 24. First line is print hello. Then A was 22, B is 2, and we are printing A plus B, so it is printing here 24. Understood? Now if you are asked some questions, suppose you are asked that print the area of a square. Now what you require here, either in this program only you can do it, or you can open a new file and I can give a comment using hash. Now comment I am giving area of a square. Now for this what I require the side of a square. So side I will ask user to enter. So for asking the user to enter, you can use here input, enter the size, and then I want to convert it into integer or float. So here I am converting into integer, so that's why I have written int for integer. Now I am asking the user input, enter the side of square. So this will be displayed as prompt, and then you are calculating the area equals to side into side, and you are printing the area, that is print the area of. Now in capital letter if you want to display, you will type in capital. Area of a square is, and after comma you are displaying the variable name. Now when you will execute it, you will see here it will first ask you to save. So here program 3 I am writing, or area of a square I am writing, area 2. Now you can see it is asking enter the side of square. If the side of square is 2, then 2 into 2, 4. Area of the square is 4. It is showing. Clear? Now you can see, since it is a PY, it is saved. Now you can change the program here only. So since it is in script mode, the advantage or the difference between interactive and script mode is, it is in script mode, so afterwards I want to change my program, that area of a square with side, I am changing it here with side, comma. Now I am giving here side variable, comma, is this. Now see, I have changed it. Now again when I will execute this program, it will ask enter the side. Suppose some other side I am giving 3, I am giving 3, 3, the 9 will be area. Now it is showing the output in a different format. The area of a square with side 3 is 9. It is visible? Clear? Now what is happening in the same program? I am making the changes and it is showing the output. So this is your program and this is your output. At the bottom you can see the output. Now in this program I want to add something. Area of a square you have written. Now I wanted area and perimeter of a square. Area and perimeter of a square. So perimeter is the addition of all the 4 sides. So I can take a variable p and you can write 4 into a, or you can add side 4 times. So I am writing here 4 into side. So this is my perimeter. Now I can copy paste it from in here and I am pasting it here. So these are the advantages of your script mode. So I am typing here perimeter of a square of side this is. Now perimeter I have saved in p, small p. So I will write here small. Now when you are executing this program, you will see it is asking here enter the side of a square. Suppose I have given here side of a square is 5. Clear? Now area will be 5 5 the 25 and perimeter will be 4 into 5, that is 20. So when I will press enter, you can see the perimeter of a square with side 5 is 20. The area of a square with side 5 is 25. So this is your program and this is your output. Clear? Now you can make changes in script mode any number of times. Here if I change it, that you just write a program area and perimeter of a rectangle, of a circle, of a triangle, something else I have given you. So you can make changes here and a new program, you can save it with a new name and the new program you can develop. But in interactive mode, when we were typing, like this is your interactive mode. So here when you are typing, here also till now the above codes are saved. Like A and B 2, 3 I have given here. It is saved. Means if I want to print value of A is this and value of B is this, it will show. But once I close this window, then you cannot see. Suppose I want to show here A is equal to value of A and B equals to value of B. So above I have given 2 and 3. So when I am, what happened? A equals to, okay, I have run those programs, so now it is not there. See what it has written. A is not defined. Here only, just here only I have given the value. So this is the demerit of your interactive mode. So in interactive mode, again I have to give the value of A and B here, and then only you can execute this line. This line, I want to execute it. So here, now it will get executed. Now you can see here A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. Clear? But when I was executing these programs, there it hasn't saved. So it was not there in memory. So it was showing here name A is not defined. So these errors also, how to handle all the errors, you have to learn, because when you will do programming, many errors will be there, and how to handle it, how to solve those errors, how to debug it, that also you have to learn. So these are the programs. Now the list of programs today I will share with you, all the list of programs in which conversion from one unit to another. Then so we will start solving some of those questions. So I will open a new file and the list of questions, you will solve it now. So conversion of meters to centimeters. This we will do now. Question number 1. So one by one let us solve it. So this is your question number 1. Then the next one will be your, so this hash I am using for comments. Now if you are writing multi-line comments, you can use triple quotes also. Clear? Some second question is, suppose your marks are being entered and percentage and grade you want to calculate. So how to calculate the total and percentage of marks of 5 subjects marks. Next is how to display the grade of students. Suppose the grades are being asked. So one by one we will do, calculate the grade of marks of students. Then the net salary. So this list of questions you have to write in practical copy. Whatever I have shown you today, all these questions you will write in your practical copy. It is not that in a new page you have to write, only you can write here experiment number 1, and this one aim will be area and perimeter of a square. How to do it in logic you can write. Then in program you will write the program, and output practical copy left hand side will be your plain. So output will be your this one, that is what output it is showing here. So this is your output. So this output you will write in the white page. Then there only below page will be there. So you will write there B, practical B, 1B, and then just now what we are going to do is we are going to solve some questions. Where is that list questions? This. So this we will solve now. So this is your first one. Then second is conversion to meter to centimeter, total and percentage, grade, and last one will be your net salary. So this is your today's task. So I am solving one question from this list. The rest you have to solve it. So which one I will solve it for you? Tell me. Which one you want me from?
Total percentage of 5 subjects.
Okay.
Total percentage of
5 subjects. Okay. So here total and percentage of 5 subjects we will calculate. So what we have to do is we have to take the marks of 5 subjects. Then we will add all the 5 marks. So here M1, M2 I can take M1, M2 and or ABCD, like that also you can do it. I am using, just give me 1 minute. I have to. Okay. Now here I am giving here M1 equals to. Now subject marks, if it is in decimal, then I will use float here. If it is in integer, so I will show you both the methods. First I am taking integer numbers and then I am asking the user to enter. So input, enter the marks of. Now if you know which subjects you are studying, suppose marks of English. Suppose for commerce students we are making this. I will just maximize it. Yes, now here even instead of writing M1, M2, you can write here English. So this variable names, identifiers, it starts with an alphabet. It can start with an underscore, but it cannot start with a numeric value, but it can contain numbers and it cannot contain any special characters or keywords. So here English marks I have taken. Same way I will take the other subject marks. Suppose IP marks I will take, and I can copy it from here. Suppose I am copying this from here. Enter the marks of this. I will change it. Here I will write IP. So like this 5 subject marks. Yes.
Ma'am, after IP you have given double equality.
Oh, correct. Thank you. It will show error. Good. Now, suppose the other subjects are your accounts in small letter, any capital letter also you can write. Suppose accounts equals to, then I am pasting it and I am writing here also accountancy. Then business studies, BST. Now this BST. Yes.
मैम आपको फिर से वो इक्वल टू डबल हो गया है अकाउंट्स में और बीएसटी में.
क्यों हो रहा है? या तो मैं गलती से मैं टाइप कर,
मैम आप कॉपी कर दिए ना उसको.
बार-बार आ रहा है.
अच्छा. हाँ ठीक है, उसको टाइप नहीं करूंगी अब मैं. ठीक है. Suppose some students have taken economics, so economics you can type and control V. Yes, हाँ उसको मैंने कॉपी कर लिया था. चलो इकोनॉमिक्स हो गया. ठीक है. अब मैंने 5 सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स यूजर से ले लिए. अब इसके बाद मेरे को टोटल और परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करना है, तो उसके लिए मैं एक टोटल वेरिएबल ले सकती हूँ और उसमें यही जो 5 सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स है. अब जैसे ये केस सेंसिटिव है, केस सेंसिटिव में जैसे मैंने ऊपर वेरिएबल का नाम लिखा है, इंग्लिश और आईपी को मैंने स्मॉल लेटर में लिखा था और अकाउंट्स, फिर बिजनेस स्टडीज और इकोनॉमिक्स को मैंने कैपिटल में लिखा था. तो मैं वेरिएबल का नाम वैसे ही लिखूंगी. तो ये टोटल कैलकुलेट करके टोटल को दे देगा. इसके बाद परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, इफ द मार्क्स आर आउट ऑफ 100 देन डायरेक्टली टोटल अपॉन 5 वी कैन डू इट, because percentage total upon 5/5 I can do it and I can print it. But if the marks are not out of 100 then I have to, suppose it is out of 50, so total will be 250. So then I have to write here 250 and here total, like now I am writing here total into 100. This one again and again I have to copy it from somewhere. My key is not working, that's why. Okay, now here 100 I have to write, so 100 and then divided by 500. So when you are cancelling 0 divided by 5 was correct. But if the marks are out of 40 or 50 or 25, then we will add all the marks. So here it will remain 100 only. And here if it is out of 50 then 250 you will write. If it is out of 30 or 40 marks then 5 for the 20, so 200 you will write. Clear? Now we will display the output. How to display? You will use print command and then you will show here the total of, suppose any students, you know the name whose we are calculating, so that you can ask the user the total is, and then you are printing total. So variable name is also total and percentage is, so we are using print command. Print and input are built-in commands. The percentage is, then you are showing the percentage. PERC I have written in capital variable name, so here also I should use capital. Now when you will run this program, it will ask to save it. So I have given total and percentage, the name, total and percentage. Now when I am saving it, now it is asking the mark of English. Now mark of English, suppose I got 90 or you got 90, in IP suppose you got 100, and in accountancy 99, 98, 97. Now you can see the total is 484 and percentage is 96.8. So how you will write in practical copy? You will write here experiment number 2. Experiment number 1 was your area and perimeter. Experiment number 2, then you will write this comment first, and then, or you can write aim. Aim will be total and percentage of 5 subjects. Then logic. Logic you will write in English that ask the user to enter the marks of 5 subjects. Then add the 5 subjects mark and store in total. Then calculate the percentage using this formula and then print. Logic you have written. Then in program you will write, copy this whole program in copy, in ruled page. Then in white page you will write this output which it is showing. Just this output. From here till here, this output you will write in white page. Clear? So I will show you this. I will share with you the Word file. So practical copy, class 11th. Class 11 practical copy. This I will share with you because first time you are going to write. Now in this experiment number 1, aim. First question was your area and perimeter of a square, or you can write here print hello because print hello is your first program. So write a program in Python or Python program to print any message. Clear? Now answer first will be your logic of the program. So what logic is here? Nothing, only using print command. So using print command, print function. It is a built-in function. Now program you will write. This is the writing procedure in your practical copy. So program, what program you will write here? First you can write a comment here. Comment will be to print any message. So this comment you have written here, and then you are using print command, in small letter, print command to print any message. Now the message can be hello. So this is one method. Now when you will execute it, output will be only hello. This will be your output. It is clear? So this is your first program. Yes, this is your first program. Now this same program you can use some other method to solve it. Now I am using a second method to solve this program. Now what will be my second method? I will use print and I will ask your name. So name I will ask NAME, name, from user. Now a string is always taken from user using input. So enter your name. Enter your name. And then you will display hello message with your name. So we will write here print hello message will be printed with your name. So hello and then comma your name. Now when you will execute it, I will show it what it will do. It will ask your name and then it will print with that name. So here it will ask, output will be, it will ask your name. So enter your name. And then when you will enter your name, suppose your name is Amrita, then what it will print? Hello Amrita. That is along with your name. Till now it was printing only hello. Now I have used a variable here. So I am asking the user to enter a name and I am taking this variable here. So it will print hello Amrita. Clear? Along with the message it is printing. So this is a second method to solve the same question. If you know any other method to print any message, you can write using or, you can write those methods also. Clear? So this was your experiment number 1. Now experiment number 2 is your area and perimeter. To print area and perimeter, so I am copying it from here. So in copy you will keep on writing continuously, don't leave that page. From there only, experiment number 2, to print area and perimeter of a square. Now logic will be, what logic you are applying here? You will ask the user to enter the side and then we will give the formula here. So I am just writing here area equals to, or you can write here area equals to side into side and perimeter equals to. So whatever logic will be different, means everybody will have his own logic. Perimeter is equals to 4 into side. Then the program you will write here. You can paste the screenshot of your mobile, like in PyDroid. I will show you last year what the students have done. Like the programming you are doing in your mobile, so it is already saved in your mobile. They have taken the screenshot of the program and they have pasted it. So that also you can do. I am pasting my program from here. You can take the screenshot of your PyDroid and program and you can paste it here. ठीक है, स्क्रीनशॉट आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम आ गया, एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर. अब आउटपुट को भी मैं यहाँ से पेस्ट कर दूंगी. यहाँ से मैं लेके, ये मेरा आउटपुट था तो इसको मैंने यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दिया आउटपुट. ठीक है, ये आउटपुट है. अब इसके बाद एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 3 करेंगे. तो ये हमारा हो गया एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 पूरा. इसको मैं अलग कलर दे रही हूँ. मैं इसको शेयर कर दूंगी तुम लोग के ग्रुप में ताकि तुम लोग को कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. तो दिस इज योर.
मैम आउटपुट हम लोग को क्या व्हाइट पेज में लिखना है?
व्हाइट पेज में लिखना है. हाँ ठीक है. जो प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी यूज कर रहे हो, एक साइड रूल्ड है, राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड व्हाइट पेज. जस्ट प्रोग्राम के सामने उसका आउटपुट लिखोगे. ये नहीं कि इधर उधर लिख दे रहे हो. जैसे तुमने एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 जहां से शुरू किया, ठीक उसके सामने व्हाइट पेज में उसका आउटपुट. ठीक है.
मैम हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी खरीदना है. मैं तो ये रूल वाला खरीद लिया हूँ, बड़ा वाला.
ये तो क्लास वर्क कॉपी है जो तुमने अभी.
ठीक है,
अभी क्लास वर्क कॉपी में ही लिख लो. अभी अगर प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है, क्लास वर्क कॉपी में लिख लो. बट प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम के समय तो तुमको प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी जमा करना पड़ेगा ना. एनुअल एग्जाम जो होगा स्कूल में आके तुमको प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम देना है इसी का. अगर ऑनलाइन भी होगा तो भी तुमको कोलैब में या पाइड्रॉइड जिसमें भी दोगे, प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी उसके लिए मस्ट है. तो कभी भी टाइम. हाँ बोलो
मैम. जो आप प्रोग्राम और इनपुट पता है उसके रूल साइड में लिखना है.
हाँ, प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी का जो राइट हैंड साइड में रूल्ड होता है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में प्लेन होता है. तो मैं कॉपी एक दिखा, रुको मैं कॉपी दिखा देती हूँ. किसी स्टूडेंट का कॉपी दिखा देती हूँ, तुमको समझ में आ जाएगा. प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी. ये तुम्हारा इंडेक्स पेज रहेगा. इंडेक्स पेज में जैसे आज के डेट में, आज का डेट लिखोगे यहाँ पे. ठीक है. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर इसको अभी जैसे लिख रहे हो उसको 1A 1B कर देना, तो यहाँ पे 1 लिखोगे। एक्सपेरिमेंट यहाँ पे जस्ट पाइथन प्रोग्राम तुमने जो शुरू किया है या फिर जो प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो, जैसे पहला वाला प्रिंट मैसेज था, सेकेंड वाला एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर था, तो ये तुम्हारा इंडेक्स पेज साइन होगा। नेक्स्ट है तुम्हारा रूल्ड पेज, जो ये राइट हैंड साइड का रूल्ड पेज है, इसमें ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 एम लॉजिक प्रोग्राम, और जो व्हाइट पेज उसके सामने है उसमें आउटपुट लिखोगे। जस्ट उसके सामने व्हाइट पेज है उसमें आउटपुट। ठीक है, अगर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम तुम्हारा ऑफलाइन हुआ तो फिर तो स्कूल में ये जमा होगा, अगर ऑनलाइन हुआ तो तुमको इसी तरीके से अपने पूरे प्रैक्टिकल फाइल का पीडीएफ बना के तुमको भेजना है। ठीक है, रूल्ड पेज में प्रोग्राम और ठीक उसके सामने व्हाइट पेज में उसका आउटपुट। तो ये तुम लोग आज से शुरू कर दोगे लिखना। ठीक है, और इसमें तुमको जो क्लास वर्क कॉपी है दैट इज डिफरेंट, उसमें तो नोट्स बना ही रहे हो, क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व कर रहे हो, उसका अलग है। ये प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी फॉर योर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम, जो 30 मार्क्स का प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम होगा उसके लिए है ये प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी। ठीक है, तो इसको मैं शेयर कर दे रही हूँ। आज वाले जितने प्रोग्राम्स हैं, एरिया पेरीमीटर हो गया, और इसके बाद इसको एक काम करो 1A 1B कर दो। फर्स्ट वाला तुम्हारा 1A था, ये वाला तुम्हारा 1B था, इसको कलर चेंज कर देते हैं, और नहीं तो ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि किसका कौन सा है। ये फर्स्ट वाले का है। अब ये एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर जो है इसको मैं अंडरलाइन और बोल्ड कर दे रही हूँ। ठीक है, इसको मैं तुम लोग के साथ शेयर भी कर दे रही हूँ तो तुम लोग को इजी हो जाएगा। अब इसके बाद वाला जो है वो क्या था, टोटल एंड परसेंटेज। तो मैंने यहाँ से यहाँ पे हमको टोटल एंड परसेंटेज 1C हो जाएगा। ये इसको हम 1C कर दे रहे हैं, प्रिंट टोटल एंड परसेंटेज, और यहाँ से मैं उसको, ये है हमारा प्रोग्राम। ठीक है, तो इसको मैं यहाँ से कॉपी कर ले रही हूँ। तुम लोग अपने पाइड्राइड का स्क्रीनशॉट उसमें डाल सकते हैं। अब ये जो थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट है, टोटल एंड परसेंटेज, ये तुम्हारा थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट है। इसमें तुमने लॉजिक क्या लगाया है, लॉजिक इसमें लिखोगे कि टोटल इज द सम ऑफ ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स। तो इसमें लिख रहे हैं टोटल इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ ऑल सब्जेक्ट मार्क्स और परसेंटेज इसमें मैंने 100 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100 लिया है। हाँ, इसमें सम ऑफ ऑल सब्जेक्ट मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100, तो ये 100 का है। तो मैंने परसेंटेज में लिखा है कि परसेंटेज इक्वल्स टू टोटल अपॉन 5। ये जस्ट इंग्लिश में तुमको लिखना है, कोई भी लैंग्वेज कुछ भी इसमें लिख सकते हो, लॉजिक तुमको समझाना है बस। प्रोग्राम, ये तुम्हारा प्रोग्राम हो गया। प्रोग्राम में तुम यहाँ पे हैश करके कमेंट लिख सकते हो। कमेंट को मैं यहाँ से टू प्रिंट टोटल एंड परसेंटेज ऑफ 5 सब्जेक्ट्स, इसको मैंने यहाँ डाल दिया है। फिर आउटपुट जो रहेगा इसका, व्हाइट पेज में जो आउटपुट लिखोगे वो भी मैं यहाँ से, तुम उसका भी आउटपुट का भी तुम लोग स्क्रीनशॉट, जो तुम्हारे मोबाइल का स्क्रीनशॉट आ रहा है उसको तुम पेस्ट कर सकते हो। तो मैं यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दे रही हूँ। ये हो गया मेरा आउटपुट। तो ये थर्ड जो है, थर्ड का मैं दूसरा कलर कर देती हूँ ताकि जब मैं शेयर करूंगी तुम लोग को अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए। तो इसको मैं ब्लू में डाल देती हूँ। ठीक है, तो ये थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गया। फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट तुम्हारा प्रिंट एनी मैसेज है। तुम इसमें और करके अगर कोई तुम्हारे पास दूसरा मेथड है उसको भी लिख सकते हो। सेकंड तुम्हारा एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर है, ठीक है। थर्ड तुम्हारा टोटल एंड परसेंटेज ऑफ 5 सब्जेक्ट्स। इसके बाद जो मैंने और बाकी का तुम लोगों को दिया है, इसमें इसको एज अ होमवर्क करोगे। कौन सा? कन्वर्शन टू मीटर टू सेंटीमीटर, grade of student and net salary. This is your homework, and tomorrow you will share your copy with previous हमारा 1 2 3 मैंने शेयर किया है और 4 5 6 तुमको करना है। तो total 6 practicals you write in practical copy, or if you are not having now practical copy you can write today in your classwork copy and share it. Then whenever you will buy it, जितनी जल्दी खरीद लोगे उतना अच्छा है, क्योंकि डबल वर्क करना पड़ रहा है, और नहीं तो तुमको हर क्वेश्चन को लिखना प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी में तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है।